Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about something that a lot of people may experience at some point in their lives. That is sciatica. If you have felt sharp pain in your lower back, buttocks, or down one of your legs, you are not alone. In this video, I'll explain what sciatica is, what causes it, the main symptoms, and some exercises you can try at home to help ease the pain. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is sciatica? Sciatica is actually the name for pain that follows along the path of sciatic nerve. This nerve starts in your lower back, runs through your hips and buttocks, and then travels down each leg. Sciatica is a term that describes pain that travels along the sciatic nerve, which is actually the longest nerve in our body. When this nerve gets irritated or pinched, it can cause pain that shoots down your back and leg, and it usually happens on one side of your body. This nerve pain starts in your lower back, runs through your hips and buttocks, and then travels down each leg. Now let's talk about what causes sciatica. There are few common reasons. First one is herniated disc. This happens when one of the discs in your spine slips out of place and presses on the sciatic nerve. Second is spinal stenosis. This is when the spaces in your spine narrow and start pressing on the nerve. Third one is piriformis syndrome. The piriformis is a small muscle in your buttock, and if it gets tight or goes into spasm, it can push against the sciatic nerve. Fourth, degenerative disc disease. As we age, the disc in our spine can wear down, which can irritate the nerve. There are other causes, but these are the main ones. So, how do you know if you have sciatica? Here are some common symptoms. If you feel sharp or shooting pain that starts in your lower back and travels down your leg, it may be the sign of sciatica. Numbness or tingling sensation. You might feel a pins and needles prickling sensation in your leg. Weakness. You may feel like one leg is weaker or harder to move. Now let's move on to some exercises that can help ease sciatica pain at home. Always remember, go easy on yourself and stop if anything feels too painful. The first exercise is straight leg raise. The first exercise that helps stretch and strengthen your lower back and hamstring. For this exercise, lie on your back with one leg bent and other leg straight. Slowly lift the straight leg off the ground, keeping it as straight as possible. Raise it to about 30 to 45 degrees. Hold for a few seconds, then lower it back down. Repeat this 10 to 15 times on each side. This exercise is gentle and helps with flexibility. Second exercise is piriformis stretch. It can release tension in your hip muscles. Lie on your back with both knees bent, cross one ankle over the opposite knee, forming a figure of 4. Use your hands to pull the uncrossed leg towards your chest gently. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds or 15 to 20 seconds, then repeat on the other side. This stretch targets the piriformis muscle that is often involved in sciatica pain. Third exercise is cat-cow stretch. Get on your hands and knees. Inhale as you arch your back and look up. Exhale as you round your back and tuck your chin to your chest. Repeat 10 to 15 times, moving slowly between each position. It can relieve tension in your lower back and spine. Fourth exercise is pelvic tilt. This helps strengthen the muscles around your spine. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Tighten your stomach muscles and press your lower back into the floor. Hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, then relax. Repeat 10 to 15 times. That's it for today. Remember, these exercises can help relieve some pain, but if your symptoms don't improve or get worse, make sure to talk to your doctor. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe for more health ready tips.